Yeah, I guess I'm kind of curious because sometimes I'm getting surges of energy to the point where I'm stopping breathing. And I think I freak out a bit when it gets to that stage and I'm like not quite ready to surrender to that full flow of energy.
Right, right. Okay, so there's no rush to surrender to it, and you're not doing anything wrong. From the higher perspective, the energy also knows uh that you may are that you're it knows everything about us, I would say. So it knows that it's gonna take you to the edge, and then you're not gonna surrender it. It's okay with that. It's gonna slowly coax you there over time. One thing you can do is you can have a mantra. I surrender, I trust, I let go. you know, I would hear, have your way with me, have your way with me. Like this is what was coming to me. I would just say this.
Yeah.
And so if you kind of hang on to that mantra, it's like just repeat it, and it can help you to move through any of those intense periods. Um, but no need to feel like, guilty or bad if you're like, oh, I didn't let go that time. Oh man, I missed the
Mm,
opportunity. No, no. Even in those experiences, work is still being done. Work is still being done.
mhm.
Maybe you've heard the saying, you jump into the abyss and you'll find that it's a feather bed. All of this stuff. It's really what it's all about. It's all it's you're safe. You're safe, but you find that out at
Yeah.
your own pace.